And very good morning to all of you. Now today we will proceed with our third question of exercise 3.2. Okay, last lecture के अंदर हमने दो क्वेश्चन किए थे exercise 3.2 के. Now today we will proceed to the third question of exercise 3.2. Now what it is given to you? How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? अंडरस्टैंड और नाउ ये थर्ड क्वेश्चन जो है उसका ऑलरेडी सॉल्यूशन सेकंड क्वेश्चन के अंदर सेकंड पार्ट के अंदर हमने कर दिया है, बट देन आल्सो ओके, लेकिन फिर भी हम एक बार देख लेते हैं दैट व्हाट विल बी द फॉर्मूला फॉर फाइंडिंग द नंबर ऑफ साइड्स. ओके, इफ ईच ऑफ द एक्सटीरियर एंगल इज गिवन टू यू. अंडरस्टैंड और सो फॉर्मूला इज नंबर ऑफ sides of regular polygon is equals to, very much important, if you want to find here the number of sides for a regular polygon, keep this in mind. So that is equals to 360 degree divided by measure of each exterior angle of regular polygon. Understand or not? Okay, now put the value which is given to you, that is equals to how much? 360 degree divided by, okay, and what is the measure of the angle given to you? That is how much? 24 degree. So 24. Understand or not? Year of division. So 36 and 24 both are in the coming in the table of 12. So 12 3s are and 12 2s are. So how much remains? So that is equal to 30 upon 2 because degree cancel हो जाएगा इससे. ठीक है? So 30 divided by 2. So what is the answer? That is equal to how much? 15 sides. You can write as 2 15s are 30. So how many sides are there? 15 sides. That means what? अगर कोई रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन है जिसका हर एक एक्सटीरियर एंगल का मेजर है 24 डिग्री, so that polygon has how many sides? That's how much? 15 sides. Okay, it has. Understand or not? So this is the solution of the third question of exercise 3.2. Now proceeding further to the fourth question. Yes, now the fourth question. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree? Listen here very much, that important, that is here interior angle, सिर्फ एक ही इंटीरियर मीन्स जो भी मेरा रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन होगा उसके सभी इंटीरियर एंगल्स हर एक का मेजर कितना होगा? 165 डिग्री. ओके, नाउ हियर व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड? वी हैव टू फाइंड हियर the number of sides. Okay, so we don't know that how many number of sides are there, we have to find it. So here I am considering the number of sides by a variable, means मुझे जो वैल्यू नहीं पता है, जो मुझे फाइंड करनी है, उसको मैं कंसीडर कर सकता हूँ in the form of the variable. Understand or not? So let the number of sides be. So here I am considering the number of sides of that regular polygon Bn. Understand or not? उसकी number of sides कितनी है? We don't know. That I am considering here it is n. Understand or not? Now very much important. अब देखो यहाँ जो हमें given value है that is the interior angle. Understand or not? So here we will do the same thing. We will use the formula related to the interior angle only. Understand or not? You don't have to consider the formula related to the exterior angle. Okay, so what is the angle sum of the interior angle of a regular polygon? So the formula is angle sum of interior angles of regular polygon is equals to, ओके, जो हमने पहले फर्स्ट 3.1 के अंदर जो एक्सरसाइज की थी वहीं ये फॉर्मूला हमने लिखा है और वही फॉर्मूला देखा है. एज वेल एज इन आवर प्रीवियस लेक्चर आई ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन्ड यू दैट व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला the number of sides, or you can say for finding the summation of all the interior angles of a regular polygon, and that is equal to side minus 2 multiplied by 180 डिग्री। ओके, यही फॉर्मूला देखो, एक बार आप देखोगे आपको तुरंत ही आइडिया आ जाएगा कि प्रीवियस जो लेक्चर था उसके अंदर मैंने ऑलरेडी ये फॉर्मूला आपको बताया था, एंड व्हाइल सॉल्विंग एक्सरसाइज 3.1 आल्सो। So how many number of sides does this regular polygon have? We don't know, but we already considered it as by a variable. हमने यहाँ उसको वेरिएबल से कंसीडर किया हुआ है, अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट। सो उसकी नंबर ऑफ साइड्स कितनी है, दैट इज n। सो n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree, understand or not? So here number of sides is n and the summation of the interior angles is how much, n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree। okay, now before solving it further, okay, इसके बाद जो सॉल्यूशन होगा वो मैं बाद में बताऊंगा, लेकिन उसके पहले एक चीज आपको बताना चाहता हूँ, एक एग्जांपल आपको बताना चाहता हूँ। सपोज इफ यू हैव 5 students in a class, okay, and if you want to distribute 25 number of chocolates in there equally, means equally आपको 25 chocolates 5 students में distribute करना है। so हर एक students के पास कितना chocolate आएगा, okay, so 25 divided by the number of students, that is 25 divided by 5, that is equal to how much, 5, understand or not? means हर एक के पास कितने chocolates आएंगे, 5 chocolate आएंगे। suppose you have 30 chocolates and you want to distribute it equally, so each students will get 30 divided by 5, that is equal to how much, 6 chocolates, understand or not? so here we will use the same formula, that is measure of each interior angle, okay, in this way, measure of each interior angle is equal to measure of each interior angle, okay, is equal to total number of angle, that is total number of chocolates हम लेते थे, इसी तरह क्या करना है, क्या लेते हैं, 30 divided by 5, 25 divided by 5, so here we have to use the same thing, the total angle, or you can say the summation of all interior angle, that you can write it as angle sum also, divide by, so angle sum divide by, so as I explained you that total number of chocolates divided by number of students, so here we will write the same thing, that angle sum divided by the total number of sides, so number of sides, understand or not? okay, so अच्छे तरीके से समझ लो कि हर एक स्टूडेंट्स को कितने चॉकलेट्स मिलते हैं, तो टोटल चॉकलेट्स डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, so here is the same thing, that measure of each interior angle is equal to angle sum divided by number of sides, okay, अच्छे तरीके से पता चल गया, okay, now we will put the value one by one, yes, so now we will put the value one by one according to this formula, that is measure of each interior angle is equal to angle sum divided by number of sides, understand or not? okay, now what is the measure of each interior angle is given to you in the question, it is given that each of its interior angle is how much, 165 degree, so I will write here the value 165 degree is equal to, now what is the formula of angle sum जो हमने इसके पहले ही बताया था, that is equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree divide by number of sides, so number of sides तो पता नहीं है, लेकिन हमने उसको ऑलरेडी कंसीडर किया हुआ है by n, so that is equal to n, understand or not? so 165 degree is equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree divided by n, so first of all degree, आप इस तरह कैंसिल कर सकते हो, so what's remain 165, okay, and this value, now यहाँ जो n डिनोमिनेटर है उसमें मैं क्या करूँगा, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करूँगा, अगर उसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करता हूँ तो इट विल मल्टीप्लाई विद 165, okay, so therefore 165 multiplied by n is equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180, understand or not? ओके, बहुत ही इजी है। अब ये ऑलरेडी इक्वेशन मिल गया है आपको, तो आपने सेकंड चैप्टर में ऑलरेडी किया था कि इस इक्वेशन को किस तरह सॉल्व करना है। वी विल यूज द सेम मेथड व्हाइल सॉल्विंग दिस इक्वेशन, अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट? ओके, सो देयरफॉर 165 n is equals to, now I am multiplying 180 with first term and the 180 with the second term. ओके, जो ब्रैकेट में दो टर्म है दोनों के साथ ही 180 को मैं मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा, so it is equals to 180 n minus, now 2 multiplied by 180, that is equals to how much? 360. Understand or not? So final equation, after multiplying 180 with this bracket and adding with 165, we are obtaining 165 n is equals to 180 n minus 360. अब इसके बाद वाला स्टेप है, that means what you have to find the value of a variable, that is the unknown value n की वैल्यू आपको फाइंड करनी है। तो मैं क्या मेथड, यहाँ कौन सी मेथड होगी, हमें एक तरफ वेरिएबल टर्म अरेंज करना है और इक्वल टू के दूसरी तरफ नोन टर्म, अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट? So therefore, okay, now I am changing the side of 360. ये 360 यहाँ जो माइनस है उसको इस तरफ दूंगा, so what will it become? So therefore it will become 360 and that is equal to 180 n as it is minus 165 n. So therefore 360 is equal to 180 minus 165, that is equal to how much? 15 n. Now changing the side of 15, why? Because 15 is a coefficient of n, so therefore 360 divided by 15 is equals to n. Now 360 divided by 15 हमने ऑलरेडी ये डिवीजन कर लिया है in the second question, so 15 24s are 360, therefore the value of n is equals to how much? 24. The value of n is equals to how much? 24. That means what? The number of sides of the regular polygon having each of its interior angle is 165 degree is how much? 24. Means जो regular polygon जिसके हर एक इंटीरियर एंगल का मेजर है 165 डिग्री, वो रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन्स की नंबर ऑफ साइड्स कितनी होगी? That is 24 sides. Understand or not? Okay, so this is the solution of the fourth question of exercise 3.2.